In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Before we begin, a quick overview. In Illustrator, images you place can either be linked or embedded. A linked image lives outside your .ai file, and Illustrator references it from its original location. An embedded image gets stored inside the .ai file itself. Embedding is great when you're sending a file to someone else or moving between computers because it prevents those dreaded missing link warnings. Just keep in mind that embedding can increase your file size, so use it when you're ready to lock things in. Start by opening your document in Illustrator. Make sure the file you want to work with is on screen and that you can see the artwork area where your placed image appears. If you've placed an image previously, Illustrator will have it listed as a link unless you've already embedded it. Next, open the Links panel, go to the top menu, choose Window, then click Links. This panel lists every placed asset in your document, including images and certain external files. If you don't see it at first, it might be docked with your other panels. Just click the tab labeled Links to bring it forward. In the Links panel, look for the image you want to embed. You'll see the file name and a small link icon indicating it's currently linked. Click the item once to select it. If you need to embed more than one image, you can select multiple items by holding Shift and clicking each one. Selecting it in the Links panel also highlights it on the artboard, so you can double check you've got the right asset. With the image selected, go to the bottom of the Links panel and click the Embed Images button. It's the small square icon, and if you hover over it, you should see a tooltip confirming you're about to embed. When you click it, Illustrator takes the external image data and stores it directly inside your AI file. You'll know it worked because the link icon next to the image name disappears. In some versions, you may also see an embedded label in the panel. That change is your confirmation that the image is now part of the document, so the file will travel safely without needing access to the original image on your computer. That's all there is to it. Open your document, show the Links panel, select the image, and click Embed. It's a small move that prevents broken links, streamlines handoffs, and keeps your designs consistent